When you click on the link, it will ask you to log in. You will log in using your Microsoft Teams account. We already know how to do that. I showed you how to do that in our other videos. So after you log in, it will bring you up here to this worksheet. We're gonna be using this today for our worksheet. Okay, so it says copy these to the white side of this activity. Work out each one showing the steps. Send it when finished. It's very important that people show me the steps. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and draw. The first one is 4 into 25. So I will write 4 divided into 25. Now remember, if it's difficult for you to draw, you can always just put the symbol and then come down here where it has the marker, and you can use the text box. But with this activity, I think it would be best to draw so that you can put in your answers, draw your signs, and continue. Now what I also want to show you is come right down here to where the paint is and click on this option. Option looks like a cross. Now this helps you to move the page up and down. See? You can move the page up and down. So if you are finished with this and you need more space, you come over here, you do the second one, you click on that option, and then you can scroll up and then you can continue. So you have enough space on this page. So that option allows you to move it down so that you have more space and you can continue to work out if you run out of space. Okay? When you are finished, come over here where it asks you to send. You're going to go ahead and click on it, and it will ask you for your name. Your email will pop up here because you will already be using it through Teams. So all you have to do is make sure your name is there, your email will be there, and then you just go ahead and you just press send. Okay?